Want to move your Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet with confidence? Let's dive into a simple step-by-step guide to ensure your crypto journey is secure and precise. First things first, head over to Binance and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, usually found in the top navigation bar. Then select Fiat and Spot to view your holdings. Here, you'll see a list of your crypto assets. Find Bitcoin and click on the Withdraw button next to it. This is where the magic happens. Now, carefully paste the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address into the address field. Double, triple, and quadruple check that this address is correct. An incorrect address could mean your Bitcoin ends up in the wrong hands. Next, ensure that the correct network is selected. In most cases, it will automatically be Bitcoin, BTC. But always verify. Selecting the wrong network can result in a loss of funds if available. Confirm the selected network aligns with the receiving wallet's requirements. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of the transaction fees displayed, as these will be deducted from the final amount received by the other wallet. Before hitting that Confirm button, take a moment to review all the transaction details one last time: recipient's address, network, amount, and fees. Once you're absolutely certain everything is correct, click Confirm. Binance will then prompt you for your two-factor authentication code. Enter the code from your Authenticator app or SMS to authorize the transaction. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your funds. After confirming, you'll be able to track the status of your withdrawal in your withdrawal history. It will initially show as processing and will update as the transaction is confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain.